Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, and here's what we're going to do today. All right, how are you feeling? Our read aloud is actually going to be at 9:50. So join us then because we have specials today. So join us at 9:50, and remember you can click here to listen to it, and this is where you click to join us live in class. And I go through the word wizard, which is chapter 15 today, the chocolate room. And then for math today, you're going to be on lesson 8. So we skipped 6 and we did 7 yesterday. Today is 8. So then, and there will be a, I need to look at this. I don't know if I'm going to do this or not. I will, if I do, it will be on Google Classroom. If not, don't worry about it. Okay, set a timer for 10 minutes. See how much you can get done. I did add some boxes here so that you can rewrite them. To make a parenthesis on the computer, you hit Shift and then 9. And that makes one part, and then Shift and 0, and that makes another parenthesis. So you have to rewrite these to make the equations true. So I'll just do the first one really fast. 16 minus 4 plus 7 equals 19. So it would actually be parentheses 16 minus 4 in parentheses plus 7. And if you can't do it on the computer, that's okay, write it down. So 16 minus 4 is 12, and then 12 plus 7 equals 19. So that's what makes it true, because you do what's in the parentheses first. That's the order of operations. All right, next. And then, so you should be on Mission 3, Lesson 9 on Zearn. If you're not, work on getting there. Okay, so this next one is language, and it's really fun. So you're going to read from phone calls to video chat on pages 6 through 9 on your book. If you don't have it, click here, and it will take you there. So look for details in the text that answer the who, what, when, where, and why questions. Type 2 examples right here. Details that do not answer these questions are interesting, but not entirely important when it comes to the text. Okay? Then, the next slide is a graphic organizer for our opinion essay for this unit. Please pick a topic to argue for or against. So you can pick one of these. Kids should all have cell phones. There should be unlimited screen time. You have to write paragraphs, friends. So pick something that you can really write about, that you have an opinion about. I want to know what you think. I want your opinion. But it has to be longer than I think all kids should have cell phones. You need to tell me why and give me reasons why it would be good and how it would be helpful. Okay. So this is where you pick an opinion, and then see there's 3 reasons, and then evidence and examples, and then restate your opinion in using different words. So that's what I'm asking you to do for writing. Okay, then cursive. You can either print it out or and trace it and then use your own paper, or just use your own paper and copy it from the screen. Okay, next, I want you to do Spelling City for 15 minutes. I have assigned you your correct spelling list on Spelling City. Okay, going to Get Epic. You can read for 20 minutes on Get Epic, or you can read your own book. Our class code is right there. Then here are our specials. So there's library and computers. So computers, click the picture below to log into Clever. Go to my page and log in as student, typing.com, complete one lesson. This is PE and this is library. Okay. Then, exit ticket. What was your favorite thing from today, and do you have any questions? Let me know, guys. I'm here to help. I hope you have a great day. Bye.